Good morning. So I'm going to make omelette for me using the egg boiler I just bought a few days back. So I just want to explain the process. So here is my mixture ready, and here is the tray which I'm going to put into the egg boiler here like this, and I'll put this mixture in this tray first and then put it into the egg boiler. But before that I'm going to put some water. And how much water? There is a mark. You have to fill this much water in this measurement cup and just pour into it. It's very little water. So, and if you see, it's written omelette and poached eggs. So you can use the same amount of water if you are preparing omelette or the poached eggs. Okay. So here is my mixture. I'm going to put it here. Just a moment, I'll just put it. Alright, so because I'm going to make 2 omelettes, 4 eggs, so this is the one. Half of the mixture goes here, just like this, pretty easy. Now switch it on. I just put into it, and I need to cover this using this lid. Here is the button. So this is already on, so I did not notice it. This is already on. So once the omelette is ready, this will beep and it will automatically switch off. So let me wait for a few minutes and I'll show you the output. Thank you. See you guys. So here is the output. This is the omelette. So this is the final output, and here are the omelettes.